Oh, hey everybody, it's Lauren Toyota from Hot for Food. Welcome to the Hot for Food kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. I feel like there might be some new people coming in since I haven't been posting for a while. And then when I do post, people are finding the videos and you're finding my old videos. I have been on YouTube since 2014, cooking up vegan love in various kitchens. But here we are. I'm located in Los Angeles, if you didn't know, and I am quite an expert at making delicious vegan comfort food. So check out what's on my channel if you're new here. There's tons and tons of recipes, and go to hotforfoodblog.com as well if you're interested in finding more. I've also got 2 best-selling cookbooks here and here. Check those out. Perfect gifts for the holidays. For those of you who do know me, hello. Nice to see you again. I'm here today to show you how to make my minestrone soup. This recipe is from my ebook, Even More Vegan Comfort Classics. I put it out in 2018. You may have it already if you pre-ordered my very first cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics. This was my pre-order incentive, so not everyone has this. You can also purchase it separately if you like, and I'll link that below. But it's actually part of something called the PlantBased Bundle, which is on sale now for a limited time. I was here a few months ago talking about the plant-based bundle when I shared my recipe for smoked Gouda mac and cheese. Well, it is back again, but this time bigger and better than ever, just in time for the holidays. There are over 200 ebooks of vegan recipes, lifestyle guides, meal planning, fitness, health and wellness, and all kinds of courses, including yoga, how to grow your own microgreens, how to make vegan cheeses, tons and tons of stuff. So if you're looking at like going vegan or somewhat plant-based in 2023, this is the perfect gift to give yourself to help you on your journey. If you're already vegan but you're kind of bored with everything you've been making and you're looking for some new inspiration, this is the bundle for you. And if you want to give a great gift to somebody who is looking to eat more plant-based, this is also an amazing gift you can give to somebody as well. Like I said, over 200 plus ebooks in this thing, including 3 ebooks from me. So you get Even More Vegan Comfort Classics, which I'll share the recipe for the minestrone soup in there today. My Hot for Holidays ebook, which is next level recipes for a festive feast, and Nothing But Nudes, which is a pasta and noodle ebook. The Hot for Holidays and Even More Vegan Comfort Classics you can buy separately if you'd like, if you only want those books, but Nothing But Nudes is available exclusively as part of the plant-based bundle. So the bundle is basically a bunch of vegan influencers and creators, some of the biggest in the world, come together to offer their ebooks and materials and resources at a huge discount for the community. So this is like a 99% discount. Basically, if you were to buy everything separately, the total value of all of these materials would be over $8,500 US, but you get it for $50 US, all bundled together. And when you order this, you simply put in your credit card or your PayPal account as well as your email, and then you get an access link in your inbox where you will click it, and then you'll see all the materials and you will pick which ones you want to download. If you want to download every single one, of course you're able to, and you can put these on multiple devices and have them for life, basically, at the ready on your tablet, on your phone, on your laptop, what have you, whatever device you like to have in the kitchen. So this deal is only available until November 28th. From now until November 28th, you have to purchase the plant-based bundle, otherwise it's gone forever. The plant-based bundle does come back a couple of times a year, but the materials always change. This one with 200 plus things, the bigger, better bundle, I don't know if that will be back next time, so this is kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity. And I, of course, have added my Hot for Holidays book. Previously, I've only had the 2 other ebooks available in this bundle. I think that's all I need to tell you. I definitely don't want you to miss out on this offer. There's so much stuff in here. It's very, very valuable, and you will have recipes for a lifetime. There's even a lot of holiday ebooks. In addition to mine, there are other creators who have included holiday ebooks as well. You can check some of them out here. And if you go to the link in my description, this is my personal affiliate link. So I actually do make a small commission from my sales. So if you heard about this from me right now or on my Instagram, please take a moment to click my affiliate link to make that purchase. And that way you can support what I do here in the Hot for Food kitchen. And I would so love you for doing that. And you will get something so valuable in return. So even if you have the bundle, spread the word, let your friends know. They can click on over on this link as well. Everything is below in the description. So A gift for you will be my minestrone soup recipe. It's never before been published publicly. It's just in Even More Vegan Comfort Classics, but I'm going to give you the recipe now. I'm going to show you how to make it because it is soup season, isn't it? I've been seeing lots of soup recipes on the internet, but I have yet to see a classic minestrone soup like this one. It's so delicious. Now, I made this recipe because I remember eating by the gallons the Habitant canned minestrone soup. I don't know why I bought that brand when I was younger, or my family did, but that's what I ate. I think it's still vegan friendly, but I mean, probably has more sodium than my recipe, and it's expensive to buy canned soup when you can just make it yourself. And this makes a lot of servings, so you can freeze the leftovers or you can eat it all week long. It's got, you know, the kidney beans, the navy beans, the green beans, it's got pasta in it, it's got yummy fire roasted tomatoes and seasonings. So let's just get to it. What you want to do is get all your stuff cut and ready. Mise en place, it's called. Get everything cut and ready, especially when you're going over the stove to make a soup, so that you're not waiting and letting the things cook too long or overcook or burn. You're ready to go. Just dump and stir is basically how this recipe works. So I have everything ready. So just so you know, I'm going to use elbow macaroni in this. You want a small little pasta, like a small shell, an elbow macaroni. Or I do tend to like this pasta called ditalini, which is what I used in the photos for this recipe, but I can't find it. It's not always available. It's like a very short, stubby little noodle that's perfect for minestrone soup. If you can find it, use it please, because it's the best one, but elbow macaroni is fine. Or like I said, small shells. So basically, that's it. Let's head over to the stove and I'll show you how this soup comes together really quickly for you. So get your stove on a medium heat. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to the pan here, or the stock pot, so I use like a deep stock pot. We're gonna add some finely diced red onion. Okay, so let these sweat out for a couple of minutes. Then you'll add carrots and celery. Saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets a little softer and more fragrant. When you're sauteing these vegetables, just so you know, you don't need to stir a ton. You're just gonna be stirring kind of occasionally. You wanna get some color on the celery, carrots, and onion and stuff. Then you're gonna add garlic and saute this for another minute or so. Lower the heat if you need to prevent the garlic from burning. Now you're gonna add zucchini as well as your spices, which is smoked paprika, dried basil, oregano, and salt and pepper. Stir this occasionally for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add tomato paste and stir to coat all of these vegetables for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now for the stock, I have dissolved 2 vegan-friendly chicken-flavored bouillon cubes into 6 cups of hot water. You could alternatively use homemade vegetable stock, as long as it's 6 cups of liquid. But I just like the flavor of the chicken stock the best. So you're gonna add this in now, as well as canned diced fire roasted tomatoes, your kidney beans and your navy beans. I'm using canned kidney beans and navy beans, and then add your pasta as well. And now turn the heat up to bring this to a boil. Bringing it to a boil takes a little bit, but once it's boiling like this, boil for 5 minutes. That'll get the pasta cooking. Then lower the heat to about a medium low and add your green beans, and then cook this for about 10 minutes. This should result in the pasta being al dente for serving and not overcooking the green beans. Now alternatively, you could cook the pasta separately and just add cooked pasta to your soup servings, because what's going to happen is the pasta is going to absorb more liquid in the leftovers. So if you don't want that to happen, I mean, it's still fine. You just might have to add a little bit more of the vegan chicken stock when you're reheating leftovers, and then the pasta won't be as chewy. It'll be softer and sort of more expanded. So it's really just a preference on what you want to do. So when it's all ready, very important, taste the soup. Maybe you like it saltier, maybe you want more pepper, I don't know. Now because it's my recipe, I think it's perfectly seasoned already, so we're good to go. The pasta's perfect. It's full of veggies, full of beans, full of pasta. So delicious. We're ready to serve it up. And there you have the minestrone soup. So cozy. I'm feeling cozy already. It is LA, but it has gotten colder here. LA cold anyways. Where you are, it may be snowing, it may be frigid, it may be awful. But you can warm up with this minestrone soup. So let's dive in. I like to eat my soup when it's like too hot to eat. That's just me. But you blow on it just a little bit. Nom, nom, nom. Way better than that canned stuff. Oh my God, just make all of your own soups, never buy them. Salad dressings and soups, never buy them. Make them from scratch. All right, well, I'm gonna enjoy this whole bowl. It could stand to cool off just a little bit while I finish up this video. Thank you for watching. The full recipe will be linked on hotforfoodblog.com, so click below. Also, click below if you're going to buy the plant-based bundle. Buy it from me. You help support Hot for Food and my work, because I do make a small affiliate commission for every sale. So if you found out about the plant-based bundle from moi, please click my personal link. And I hope you enjoy the plant-based bundle. Again, just to remind you, it's only available for a limited time until November 28th. So click that link, check out all the materials in there, purchase it. You'll get an access link to download the materials that you want. You can download every single thing if you want, or you can just download the stuff that you want. So again, if you only wanted 5 books, 10 books, even 2 to 3 books, $50 US is still a deal, still worth the price. Some of these books have hundreds of recipes in them, by the way. And don't forget, there are 3 ebooks from Hot for Food included in the bundle. So don't miss this offer, okay? There's also a bunch of new recipes on the blog if you haven't been there in a while, hotforfoodblog.com. The smoked Gouda mac and cheese is on there. I'm about to put up a very fancy buttered toast. I know that sounds simple, but trust me, this buttered toast is amazing. Okay, that's it for me. Subscribe if you're new here. Follow along. I will be posting occasionally. I used to post like once a week, but that's just not happening in my life right now. And there's actually going to be some vlogs going up on my Lauren Toyota channel, my other channel, travel vlogs from my recent trip in Bali. I had a birthday surprise party, so that's going to go up soon. Maybe it's already there when this is out. Anyway, there is new content. Everything is content. Everything is content. Bye-bye.